In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide boards on Monday.com. Whether you're organizing work projects or managing personal tasks, there are times when certain information needs to stay private. Monday.com offers a straightforward solution for this, making your boards private. Let's dive into how you can achieve that seamlessly. First, let's set the scene. You have a board on Monday.com filled with information that you'd rather not share with everyone in your team. Making it private ensures that only you and the members you've chosen can view and interact with this board. It's a simple way to keep your information confidential without compromising on the functionality and organization Monday.com provides. Start by opening the board you wish to hide. This is your primary workspace, and changing its visibility settings is only a few clicks away. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the board screen, and you'll find a three-dot menu icon. This menu houses the settings we need to adjust, so go ahead and click on it. Once the menu expands, look for an option labeled Board Settings. This section of Monday.com is where all the board's configurational options are located. Clicking on Board Settings brings you a step closer to transforming your public board into a private sanctuary. Next, you'll want to select Change Board Type. This specific setting determines the access level of your board. Here's where you can dictate who gets to view and collaborate on your board. After you click Change Board Type, you will see several options, but our focus is on making the board private. Choose the Private option. Yes, private. This designation will restrict access sharply. Essentially, only the members you invite will be able to see the board's contents. It's a surefire way to ensure confidentiality without losing the collaborative nature of Monday.com. After selecting private, it's crucial to confirm your choice. This step solidifies the change and alerts the system to update your board's visibility settings. With just a confirmation, your board is now private, visible only to the members you have chosen to share it with. Now for the outcome. Once your board is set to private, invited users will discover it under the private section in their sidebar. Those who are not invited won't see the board at all. It's as if it doesn't exist to them, giving you peace of mind that your information is secure. With these simple steps, your board on Monday.com has transitioned from a public domain to a private workspace. Remember, the key elements in making this change are accessing the board settings and confirming the change to private. It's a functional and effective way to maintain privacy within your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!